Good morning, children. So, poster making, we have done it earlier. Actually, it is revision. Very important. You always get a question on poster making in the exam. So, let's do it again. What is a poster? Posters are placards displayed in a public place announcing or advertising something. Posters are notices. They give information about something, advertisements, invitations. Yes, all in one. It is all in one. What is the purpose of posters? What is the use? That is, the purpose of designing a poster is either to create social awareness about issues related to current problems. It could be dowry, it could be any current problem and needs, or to advertise or even to extend public invitations and display notices. Drafting posters. Posters should be colorful, attractive, and tempting. Then only people will read it, otherwise, they'll not. They must be drafted carefully to attract the attention of the readers, excite their imagination, and influence their minds. Only then they will read it with interest. Posters are read from a distance. Do not give many details in a poster. Highlight only important issues. Details are not given in poster. Only the important issues are highlighted. Main features of a poster. The first one is layout. What is layout? Visually attractive, eye-catching. So poster should be eye-catching. Title, suggestive, catchy. Title should be catchy. Then you have to use slogan, jingle or short verse. Sketch or simple drawings. Letters of different size and shape. Proportionate spacing. Spacing should be proper. Otherwise it will not look attractive. Contents. The theme or subject of the poster, description of or details associated with the theme, essential details like time, date, venue for an event, name of issuing authority or organization, who has issued it. That is what it means. Expression, phrases, slogans, persuasive language. You have to try to convince the reader. That is persuasive language. Creativity in terms of content and design, overall organization and sequencing of the matter. Matter should be properly put in proper sequence. Observe word limit. Word limit is usually 50 words. So do not exceed the word limit. Example. Design a poster in not more than 50 words for your school library on the value of books and good reading habits. You may use slogan. See. So that's the answer. Look at the poster, children. Books are best friends. It looks attractive. Then books inform, instruct, delight and enrich. That's the purpose of books. See at the center, your school library has 10,000 books. Take a book a day. Don't delay. Read best, speak best, think best. Make reading a regular habit. Then when you are gloomy or lonely, your best friend is a book. Don't judge a book by its cover. Read it. Reading makes a ready man. So that is about that poster. One more. Design a poster for promoting good health through Health Mela. So this is about good health. See what is given there. First on top, Red Cross Society Chandigarh cordially invites you to Health Mela. Participate in that on Saturday the 20th December. Then you have to write the year 2020 at, that is venue, Government College Grounds, Sector 14. Special attractions. What is going to happen there? Yoga, panel discussions, live demonstrations, doctors' suggestions, discourses, experts' opinions. Then get 10 special prizes for sound health and physical fitness. Who has issued this poster? Or whom you have to contact? Sports Secretary, courtesy. Who has issued this? That is what courtesy means. Fast Foods India. So this is about the poster. See, have a look at it once again. So see, dowry. This is about dowry. Demanding, giving and taking, helping in giving, taking, advertising for dowry is an offense. tip: use attractive and catchy slogans, sketch or simple drawings. Here are some essential tips you should consider when designing a poster. It should be readable from a distance. Create some contrast. Consider the location. Location is where. Stand out. Make it scalable. Use a big image. Make good use of space. Pay attention to call to action. So once again a recap, okay? A recap. Once again I'll show you. See. What is a poster? We are revising once again. Posters are placards displayed in a public place. Everywhere you see posters, yes, people trying to advertise. They're basically advertisements and invitations. What is the purpose? Designing a poster, the purpose is to create a social awareness about some issues related to current problems and needs, or to advertise or even to extend public invitations and display notices. Drafting posters. There are certain points which you must keep in mind. Posters should be colorful, attractive and tempting so that the readers read it. They must be drafted carefully to attract the attention of the readers, excite their imagination, influence their minds. Posters are read from a distance. Main features of a poster: layout is very important. That means it should have a heading, very attractive, eye-catching, title, that also should be attractive. Then you have to use slogans and short verses, then sketches, simple drawings, letters of different shapes and sizes. Yes, content, the theme or subject of the poster, very important. Description or details associated with the theme. Essential details like time, date, venue, you have to mention that. Then name of issuing authority. Who has issued the poster? Expression, phrases, slogans. Persuasive language, creativity in terms of content and design, very important. Should look attractive. Then your matter should be properly sequenced, okay? Then word limit is always 50, mostly 50 only. So this is about school library poster. See how to make this poster. Have a look at it very carefully, and you have to write down in your notebooks question and the answer, so that you're thorough with this topic and you get out in the examination. So please see carefully how this poster is designed. One more poster is there. See, this is about Health Mela. Again, look at this very carefully and note down in your notebook. See how it is written. Did you observe that? So I showed you two posters here. Please see very carefully how it is done. Okay. Note down all the tips. Keep in mind, it is very easy to get 5 out of 5 in such a question, poster making. So go through the tips. Keep all those tips in mind. And this is your assignment. Okay. When you are told to submit assignment, you have to submit. So keep everything ready. Is that clear to you? Go through again and again. Examinations are again approaching. So everything is important. All subjects are equally important. Don't make any mistakes. Yes, practice again and again. Yes, see, dowry, giving and taking. What is dowry? It is shown so beautifully there. So get some ideas, get some clues from this. This will help you. Yes, then I have some tips also. See, very important. It should be readable from a distance. Yes, so that is very, very important. Then you have to try to create some contrast. And heading, of course, should be very catchy. Location, never forget to mention the location. You have to use a big image because it is read from a distance. Yes, people should be able to see clearly. People should be able to read very, very clearly. So it is very, very important. Pay attention to call to action. Make good use of space. Yes, use the entire space properly. That's all, children. Thank you.